Good morning to all. Today we are going to see about the Loom website, that is loom.com. This Loom is used to record the screen or the voice for the presentation purposes. So in this website we can see the new video tab in the top right corner that is used to record your video. Here in the new video there will be three options, that is screen plus cam, screen and cam. So after clicking this new video we can see all the three tabs. Since I am using this video right now, using this portal to record the video, I can't show you those three options. So I am using a screen only, so that I can record only my screen, not my video. So you can see here my logo is shown, that is my profile picture of my Gmail ID is shown here. If I use the screen plus cam means my video will be shown here. After you completed recording your video will be shown like this, and the link for your video is shown here. So the recorded video will be saved in your not in your laptop, but it will be saved in your Loom cloud. Whenever you want, you can share this link with your students or your colleagues to watch this video. So after that you have to after the option, next option is new folder. Here a new folder option is given, so that any videos can be created here. So we can segregate using this new folder for a particular topic. This is about the Loom. The next is classroomscreen.com. In this classroomscreen.com, uh, the first option we are going to see about is the background image. If you are teaching a class and the background is very empty, we can use any of the background. Here I have given my college aerial view, that is Avinash Lingam School of Engineering's view, that I have chosen from the first option, that is the background image option. Here there are photos already given by the classroomscreen.com app. Here there is an upload option, so we can upload our picture, which picture you want. You can upload our picture and we can make it as a background view. And also there are many options. A random name option is also given. We can type any name, whoever in the class you have to ask the question or something like that. And also QR code scanner is also here. We can ask the students to scan this QR code and then ask them to attend the classes. So timer option is here, stopwatch option is here, clock is here, and the calendar option is also here. We can use all these options in a particular screen. We cannot switch over to any other tab or the windows to check these time and the calendar like that. All the options are given here. We can post the questions also by using this, that is here. New poll option is also here. Like that we can make the questions and make the students to uh, be attentive inside the class. Thank you.